So here is another question on solving linear equations in two variables using substitution method. So the two equations are 15 by x minus y plus 22 by x plus y is equal to 5 and 40 by x minus y plus 55 by x plus y is equal to 13. So the first step is to write the equations in their present format as it is. So 15 by x minus y plus 22 by x plus y is equal to 5. This is equation 1. Then 40 by x minus y plus 55 by x plus y is equal to 13, and this is equation 2. So here if you see in the denominator, here we have in this fractional representation, here also we have x minus y, here also we have x minus y, here also we have x plus y, here also we have x plus y in both the equations. We have the same, the two denominator terms that we have, it is the same in both the equations. So again, here we'll make some substitutions through the introduction of two new additional variables. So here we'll make the substitutions. Let 1 by x minus y is equal to u and 1 by x plus y is equal to v. So when we make these substitutions here, we get 15 by u plus 15u, not 15 by u, by mistake I have written 15 by u. Okay, 15u plus 22v is equal to 5. Okay, 15u plus 22v is equal to 5. Let's assign it as a number 3, and here it is 40u plus 55v is equal to 13. Okay, so we have made the substitutions. Now we have the equations in their standard format, in which we normally solve them. Okay, so now we have to pick one equation. Let's say we pick equation 3. Okay, so from equation 3 we have 15u plus 22v is equal to 5. That implies 15u is equal to 5 minus 22v. That implies u is equal to 5 minus 22v by 15. This is, we have represented u in terms of v. Let's call it equation 5. Okay, this is the main principle of substitution method, representing one variable in terms of the other. Now we will substitute this in equation 4. We have got this from equation 3. We'll substitute it in equation 4 in place of u. So when we make the substitution, we have 40 into 5 minus 22v by 15 plus 55v is equal to 13. So here we have, we cancel it with 5, so it is 3, this is 8. So that implies 8 into 5 minus 22v. So this 3 getting multiplied here, it's become 165v, and here it becomes 39. Directly have done it instead of writing it in the numerator. Directly have done it. Okay, 8 into 5 minus 22v. This 3 getting multiplied here, 165v. 3 into 55, yes, and 3 to 13 is 39. So that implies 40 minus 8 into 16, 176v plus 1 plus it's not responding. Okay, plus 165v is equal to 39. Okay, so that implies minus 176v plus 165, that is minus 11v is equal to 39 minus 40. That implies minus 11v is equal to minus 1. That implies v is equal to minus 1 by minus 11, which is equal to 1 by 11. So v is equal to 1 by 11. So this is equation how much? 6, I think. This is 5, this is 6. Now we will substitute this value here to get u, this v value here to get u. So u is equal to 5 minus 22 into v, that is 22 into 1 by 11 by 15. So this is 2, so it is equal to 3 by 15, which is equal to 1 by 5, getting cancelled. Okay, 1 by 5. So u is equal to 1 by 5. This is 7. Now we have got u and we have got v. Now our objective is to calculate the value of x and y. So we have to go to the substitution part. 1 by x minus y is equal to u, 1 by x plus y is equal to v. Okay, that. So to the original substitutions part, 1 by x minus y is equal to u, which we calculated is equal to 1 by 5, and here 1 by x plus y is equal to v, which is equal to 1 by 11. So that implies x minus y is equal to 5 and x plus y is equal to 11. Okay, this is up to this, it is clear. Again we have got two equations, okay, in terms of x and y, two linear equations in two variables. Again we have to do substitution method. So let's say we pick this equation. Okay, very simple it is. We pick this equation. Now x is equal to y plus 5 from here. Now we substitute this in this equation in place of x. So y plus 5 plus y is equal to 11. That implies 2y plus 5 is equal to 11. Plus 2y is equal to 11 minus 5, 6, plus y is equal to 3. So we have got y is equal to 3. Now we can substitute it anywhere to get the value of x. So here x will be equal to 11 minus y, which is equal to 11 minus 3, which is equal to 8. 11 minus 3 is 8, or you can do it x is equal to 5 plus y. So 5 plus 3 is equal to 8. So anyway you do it, you will get x is equal to 8. Okay, so we have got, finally we have got the values of x and y, which was our original objective. X is equal to 8, y is equal to 3. Now this is a very good question, because originally we had the equations, the two equations in this format. Okay, so we used the introduction of two additional variables and substitution method to convert it into this format. Okay, then we calculated the value of u and v using standard substitution method procedure. We calculated u and v. Then again we got two new, a pair of other linear, the same thing but in terms of x and y, two new linear equations in two variables. So then we solved it again using, but it was in a simple format, so we use substitution method again to get the value of x and y. Okay, so it is a two-layer substitution method application. Here in this question we did that. So this is the